how to open YouTube in Chrome, not in app, using Android. So if you want to open your YouTube in Chrome and not in your app, then what you can do is first open up your settings and set your Chrome browser as the default browser. So to do that, you can simply go for apps, choose apps, or you may have manage apps option, tap on apps, and then you can scroll down, and here you will have default apps, right? Tap on default apps and then choose browser app, and under your browser make sure that you have set your Chrome as your default browser application. And once you've chosen that, now you can simply go back and then tap on opening links, and under opening links, now you can simply scroll all the way down and go for YouTube. Open up your YouTube, and here under open supported links, you need to turn that option off. And once you've turned that off, now you can open up your YouTube in your Chrome and not in your app. So that's it. That's how you can open YouTube in Chrome and not in your application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.